Okay, here we are. It's DM Blair. We're at the Adventures Guild in Harrisburg, PA. This is Adam.
Hey,
He's my what do you call it?
partner in crime.
Partner in crime. There you go. Perfect. He's going to unbox the Star Wars Destiny. What is it? Let's
Way of the Force
Way of the Force
booster box, newly released
and he's going to do it so quickly so we don't run out of film.
so quickly. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Let's see. We're going for the dice cards here. That's a crappy one, so we have to talk about that one. That one's junk.
Yeah.
I'll put the cards out so you can see the cards that are coming out. And we're looking for Luke Skywalker. He's hiding somewhere in this box. I can feel it.
Luke is hiding somewhere
Force is
in this
strong with him.
box.
Sebulba's Pod Racer.
Ooh.
That's pretty cool. If you like pod racing. A Gungan. Not that exciting. See, Luke. No, there's another Pod Racer.
Uh-oh.
Looks like Anakin's Pod Racer.
I'm going to do a lot of pod racing.
A lot of Pod Racing. Yep.
So, Adam, tell us a little bit about your addiction here.
Well, the addiction tends to grow and grow and grow. And it's costing me some money. But it's a fun game.
Everybody seems to like it. It's going to be it's going to be our second year now at the Kappa Cup, so it's going.
Bo-Katan. She's pretty decent.
Ooh.
Yep. Still looking for Luke, though.
Yeah, Luke, can you
No.
feel the force?
Here's Luke's rod.
No what the...
No Luke. Just
No
Luke's. Just Luke's rod.
Just Luke's rod.
He can keep his rod to himself.
Yeah. Keep his junk to himself.
I'm still looking for Luke, though. Here we got DJ.
So, like, what color is Luke in this? Blue?
He's blue.
He's
a
blue?
character. Yeah. We got a DJ in here. No Luke.
Grab yourself a trash can.
He's hiding. Junkie card. Won't even bother telling you about it.
Give me that trash can there.
Huh? No, it's right here. Yeah, I was just gonna put everything back in the box.
Oh, you're going to chuck it all back in the box? All right. Never mind. I was going to try and get it out of your way.
So it's like one legendary we pulled so far.
Which one's the legendary?
DJ. He's got pretty good dice size. A 2/2. He's got some decent health. So don't know if I'd ever use him, but interesting character, and probably trade him away for something else.
Yeah. That's the thing about this game is like it's sort of like Magic to me. Only there's dice involved. That
You got Resistance Speeder.
you collect them up and you sell them off for what you want.
And a Jabba the Hutt.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, Jabba.
Is that the newest Jabba?
That's the new Jabba. Not as good as the old one, though. Not as good.
That's the new Jabba the Hutt here.
Yep. Boss Nass from episode 1.
Mm-hmm. Getting queer an assortment of cards over here.
Oh. The Executioner's Axe. Interesting.
Oh.
It's okay. You can put it with the Executioner. That would make sense. Still looking for Luke, though. Oh. No.
No dice.
No dice.
A dice, not the right.
Force Sphere. Okay. Nothing special. Maybe a Count Dooku in here? Nope.
Darth Vader.
Some Junkers card. Looks like junk to me.
Yeah.
So far, not a very good box, honestly, but still got some packs to go.
You got twice as many as what you got out here to go.
Right.
Guess you gotta go through the jump to get to the good stuff.
Sometimes maybe Luke's hiding in here. Oh, we got a Rex from Clone Wars. Got a Rex from Clone Wars. Pretty decent character. He's a legendary. Now we're at 2. 4. Oh, Plo Koon. Got a Plo Koon. He's a good character. Blue.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see what else we can pull. Some creepy guy.
Some creepy guy.
That looks like a battlefield with a die.
What?
Yeah. We can now
Since
have
when
it
does this exist?
since this came out.
That's whack crazy.
Uh,
So, any of
Anakin
you?
Skywalker.
What's that?
Anakin, little Annie.
Oh, little Annie.
Little Annie.
Annie pants. So apparently this is new. It's like power action roll this die into your pool after you take control of the battlefield. Remove its die. That's crazy stuff.
He's our 3rd legendary. Formidable.
Ooh.
Seems okay. Nothing super special. Well, another boss Nass, because you need to have multiple of him, apparently.
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 Here's standing here beside himself.
No Khal Dooku's or some droid.
Which droid? Ooh.
Seems okay. We got Rex's blaster.
So you got Rex and then you got Rex's blaster.
Yes.
Right on.
So now we are at 4. We're getting pretty close without a Luke. This is discouraging, but we're gonna see. Let's see if we can get there. Oh, yeah, we got a Leia.
Ooh.
Got a Leia here.
See if we can get a.
We got a Leia.
See if we can get a.
Yep. Yep. Good mill character. That means.
See if we can get her to bring Luke out.
Let's see. Oh, we got Ezra. Ezra Bridger from the Rebel series. We got Ezra.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Getting low. Something that's not very good, but it's for Mill. It's blue.
Ooh.
General Grievous. Yep. General Grievous.
Wow.
So, 1, 2.
I
Yep,
think you're
that's number 6. No Luke.
Yeah. I think you're at 30.
Luke's hiding. There's a force jump. Seems okay. Heavy blaster. Yeah. Seems okay. Some thermal detonators that aren't very good. A couple more packs to go. See what we got. Force sensitive outcast. Seems okay.
We got like 2, 3 more.
Yep, 3 more. Imperial transport. Blah. Blah. Blah, but could be useful. Sebulba. Yeah, Sebulba in here. Cibolo. And our last pack.
Yeah, it's yellow.
Yeah. Yep, trusted informer.
Wow.
So that's the pull.
It's quite a sea of dice and cards there, Adam. Remember when we did our unboxing? We didn't pull really anything we were after either. That's like the luck of the box. But you got a lot of force stuff. I mean, you got force jump. And where was that other one up here? Force. Fear.
Yep. So there's some useful cards in here.
And you got a new job with the cut. She looks really gross compared to like normal. Like normally he's gross looking, but mine just looks gross. Deal indirect awareness. There's 2 and an opponent equal to the number of your dice showing a special one. Splitting this die. Yeah, I don't think that's any better than the first one. So,
Yeah, I mean, happy with a few of them.
tell the people here at my channel what's some of your favorite decks to run.
I mean, mostly aggro. Blue, red, anything with Vader.
Anything with Vader, yeah. Anything with Vader, for sure.
Yep.
Anything Imperial. And you got
That's the way to go.
You got a really cool what's that deck with Yoda? I mean, that's a good guy, but
Yoda and Zeb.
yeah,
Yep.
that seems pretty nasty.
Yep. Make money, shields, change die.
Oh. So what do you got to say about to the people about this game, like the most? Like what is it your favorite part of this game?
Just a little bit of the chance, but a lot of just the deck building aspect of it. You know, fitting in what you like to play, what it fits your play style, the type of dice. If you're somebody who just likes, you know, a ton of weapons in your deck, you can put a ton of weapons in. If you're somebody who likes to mill players' cards and mess with their other players' hands, and it's pretty easy to just sit down and play. You can have it all pulled out within minutes, and then, you know, 15, 20-minute match could be done, and then you're put it back away. So, you know, all in all, you can play a game pretty quickly and pick up and go.
Yes, and as long as you have your decks put together, you can transport it pretty easily compared to like
Yep.
X-Wing or
Yeah.
Legion.
Yeah.
There's not a lot of meat and potatoes. It's just
Right.
the dice.
But if you keep buying box upon
And
box,
cards.
you end up with
Yeah.
storage problems.
Storage problems. That was going to be one of my next questions. What do you think the best solution to storage is for this game?
You could buy like some of those plastic bins, like Michael's, Lowe's, Home Depot. Got they put like nails and screws in because the dice will fit nicely and will stack on top of one another. So I mean, there's a whole different type of solutions. I mean, I use a tackle box just because it fits my needs. But if you have a whole lot more, you can kind of increase yourself to a larger box.
Any companies that are sponsoring us through the Kappa Cup that you might be able to recommend to them out there in the Destiny world?
There's a lot of sponsors.
Well, I mean, like the people who are sponsoring, who are maybe doing things that are especially for Destiny, since this is a Destiny video.
We have
Like say, like who's the manufacturer of this case right here?
this is from an Etsy shop on Etsy.com called At the Handcocks, and these run about $10, and they're tournament boxes. So you have your cards, you have the dice that are hidden, so your opponent doesn't know what dice you have. He sells these for about $10. It's pretty good value. He's got 3D printed holders that he makes specifically for the dice, and the cards. and then you'd put tokens up here. Blair just happens to use these die. And it fits nicely, and then he even has a spot on the bottom that fits in here so that it doesn't sit higher than it needs to. So he has these perfectly fitted, and you can take them on the go. But this is just one of the dozen to 2 dozen sponsors that we have to the Kappa Cup, which you can see at our website, kappacup.net.
All right. Well, thanks for doing this video with us, Adam. And thanks for unboxing everything. All you guys out there in YouTube land, like, subscribe, comment, and happy, what do you call this? Happy
Unboxing?
or gaming or...
Obsessing?
There you go. That's the perfect word for it.